In all of our products, we have multiple options for our background. We could use a color, a gradient, a texture, and of course, a photograph. But how can we use them in a harmonic and coherent way with respect to the rest of the elements? There are some basic tips we can apply. Sometimes it's difficult to distinguish the background from the photos, like on this example. To make our photos stand out from the background, we can add a frame. When using colors and textures, try not to use dissonant colors, like this option. It's better to be in harmony with the predominant colors of our pictures. And make sure that if there is any text, it's readable. To make this happen, we have to look for a good contrast between the colors, like this one. Avoid relevance on backgrounds. The background should support our photos, not compete against them, like on this case. You can play with the color adjustments and opacity to get an optimal result. When using a photo as a background, try to avoid using one with many elements on it, like this background. A good idea is choosing one with white spaces to take advantage of that space to place the rest of the photos. These are our tips. Now it's your turn.